Hello and welcome to the channel, Garden Cam Man. So in the first part here I'm going to be showing how I trim a box hedge with my hedge trimmer. And the problem with this one is the fact that there is a watering system hidden in the middle of those hedges. So you've got to be very careful not to hack them to pieces. After that you'll see me ride on mowing, doing a lot of lawn mowing and then pruning a camellia, which I actually discovered a lot of 3 baby birds in there, so that's about the 10-minute mark in the video, I think. But yeah, hope you like it, and please hit the like because that encourages me to make more videos. Thanks for visiting. Crooked there. Blow it all down there. The hedge was right out over all that dirty stuff there. The pots were there and the hedge was over the pot. It's starting to get a bit thin, so I didn't go beyond that. I just left it there. You can see now, you can see the edge all the way along. The hedge came out to where the wet pieces are on the wood, because these have all been moved back a bit. There's where the pot was there. And yeah. So yeah, I was dealing with a sprinkler system, pots, and managed to get it reasonably straight. It's hard to get it perfect, but because of the sprinkler system, but these pots will get pushed back and then it'll start to grow out on the pots again, no doubt. But for now, that's that one done. Time to move on to the next one.
prune this camellia. I've just moved the bird's nest out of here down to here, and I'm hoping that was alright, because there is a little egg down at the bottom. It's only a pretty strong one. Anyway, only thing I can think of doing. So I'm just pruning this camellia from the inside out up against this wall. It's just easier to find the trunk and then just prune around the trunk nice and even to get that nice round shape. I can see the little bird feeding the babies up in there. Look at that. I'm going to try and zoom in. See, she's feeding a little baby. She's a little beak. It's only a little bird with yellow fur. Now I'm going to attempt filming this little bird's nest here to see if there's any little babies in there. I can hear them, but I can't look in there. That's where that nest is, just up in there beside this one, and that's the one I'm doing there. I can't touch that one. Yeah, so I'm hiding in here. No, I'm not really hiding. I'm just coming here to look for these bird nests. There's that one up in there. Oh, you can't see it, but it's got birds, little babies in it. I'm going to leave that one. I'm going to do this one. Oh no, ants. I'm just going to prune this one right down to the same size as the other one. Work I've been doing inside here. Just got to get the last few. And that's that little bird. Oh, look at you. There we are, that's that one done. Down to the arch. See straight through it now. That's the one with the bird in it, that can't be touched. That's the one I did 6 months ago. And that one.